What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel where we discuss faith, purpose, and walking boldly in our God-given purpose. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so you never miss another purpose-driven message. So today we're going to be talking about something that's quietly stealing destinies, killing dreams, and blocking blessings. And that's laziness. Let's be real, laziness is one of those things that we don't often recognize until it's already caused damage. Proverbs 13:4 says, "The soul of a lazy man desires and has nothing, but the soul of the diligent shall be made rich." Now, what's so deep about that is you can have a vision, you can have a dream, and even a word from God. But if you don't put in the work, you will never see the fruit. Here's what's also crazy. Laziness doesn't always look like doing nothing. Sometimes it looks like procrastination. It looks like I'll do it tomorrow, or it looks like starting something but you're never finishing it. It looks like you're constantly scrolling through your social media, watching everybody else succeed as you stay on pause with your own success, or as you stay on pause with your own purpose. I'm going to say something, and I want you to understand that this is being said out of love. You can't afford to be lazy when God has given something to you that is so valuable. You can't afford to be lazy when God has given you something so valuable to carry. You think about the parable of the talents in Matthew 25. You see that one servant was too lazy to do anything with what the master gave him. He buried it. And then what happened? The master called him lazy and took the gift away. Don't let that be your story. See, God is not going to bless what you're not willing to build. He's not going to multiply what you're too lazy to manage. Yes, he's the God of grace. He's the God of miracles, but he's also the God of principle. So you have to show up for your purpose, even when you're tired, even when it's not fun, and even when nobody is watching. Now, we like to quote that scripture, faith without works is dead. But do we actually live it? Praying is powerful. Believing is essential. But working, that is the demonstration of faith. I'm going to say something else that I need you to understand is being said out of love and concern. Laziness is a spiritual attack. It is a spiritual attack that lures you into a place of comfort and complacency. But purpose requires movement. Purpose requires discipline. So if you want to see the promise, you have to put in the pursuit. Now you may be asking, Kev, how do I stop laziness? I'm going to give you 4 tips that will help you with killing laziness. Here's how to break out of laziness starting today. Number 1, set small goals. Don't overwhelm yourself. Just focus on the next step. Number 2, be proactive and create a daily schedule. Purpose loves structure. Even Jesus had a routine. Number 3, stay accountable and get around people who will call out the laziness in you. Don't get mad when they call out the laziness in you. Hello. And finally, number 4, pray for strength. Ask God to give you the grace to work in excellence. Hear me and hear me good. Your purpose is too big for excuses and too urgent for delay. Listen, if this message hit home for you, I want you to drop a comment below saying, "No more lazy living." One more time, no more lazy living. Let's encourage each other to keep showing up for what God has called us to do. And don't forget, I'm going to continue to drop content that will help you grow in your purpose and faith. So do me a favor, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep walking boldly in your God-given purpose.